It's time to connect your business success to your customers' needs. What if you could offer your customers an end-to-end output management solution that you could deliver from a single vendor across a unified platform? What if that vendor gave you the tools, training, and support you need to close more sales and succeed? And what if you could do all of that profitably and with minimal upfront investment? Lexmark's award-winning hardware, supplies, software, and services maximize your business. Your customers get a world-class experience, and you get a healthy bottom line with built-in growth potential. It's called Lexmark Connect Partner Program, and it can help transform your business. Contact your partner manager or visit partnernet.lexmark.com to learn more about the Lexmark Connect Partner Program today.